Hello world, good morning. This is the Founders and Innovators Morning Show. I'm your host Joia, and this is the One Idea segment of the show, where we start to explore one idea that could have a profound transformation on your life or business. So the idea I thought we could explore today is the one of conversation partners. I was inspired in this idea by the book Powers of Two by Joshua Wolf Shank. In this book, he explores powerful partnerships. Think of Jobs and Wozniak, Lennon and McCartney, Watson and Crick, examples where two minds coming together were able to produce creative breakthroughs that probably neither of the two could have done solely by themselves. This idea definitely resonated with me as I think back to some of my own productive work and some of the best breakthroughs I've had in my own thinking. The importance of several good conversation partners that I have had. In my experience, these are people who agreed with me enough that we had common ground, that they could see where I was coming from, support me, support the mission, but also, have the ability to critically examine the ideas that I was bringing forth, to ask provocative questions, and to bring their own ideas and perspectives to the table. So I'm really curious to hear what all of you think. Have you had the experience of a conversation partner, working with a conversation pair, and having it fuel your ability to be innovative and creative? Let me know what you think, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, review, and share this show. If you'd like exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insight, for just $4 a month, you can support us at buymeacoffee.com. Now, go make it a great day.